Welcome to the goldensuite.com virtual tour. My name is Ryan Chandler, founder of the Golden Suite Forex trading platform. When you first take your 7-day free trial, you're going to be faced with your dashboard. Now, the dashboard is there for you to receive consistent updates so you never miss an educational tutorial, a trade, a live community event, anything which is going to be significant into helping you achieve your Forex goals. We don't want you to miss. So your dashboard is there to give you live updates. Next, you're going to get access to the Golden Suite community. Now, the Golden Suite community is like no other because we have many experienced traders in there. We've got Golden Suite Forex coaches. We've also got many funded Forex traders, which have now left their jobs and they're trading full time with over 100K. So needless to say, we've got a lot of experience inside the Golden Suite there on hand, ready to help you. And as you can see, everyone likes to share their analysis and their trades as well. So you won't just benefit from my trades and analysis, you're also going to benefit from theirs. Next, we've got the live trade setups. So let me just talk you through a little bit about the Golden Suite day to day. First thing in the morning, you're going to experience a live webinar with me. Then after the live webinar, I update the Golden Suite watch list. And then once the trade hits our confluences, I share the trade with some very precise details, which you can see here. This is not a generic buy and sell setup. You're going to see the exact confluences why I entered the trade. You're also going to see the risk that I've used, including my risk to reward ratio, my trade parameters, and a note at the bottom of any significant information that you may need to know about this trade setup. It's important that you know exactly why I'm entering this trade so you can become an independent Forex trader as quick as possible. Next up, we got the watch list. Now, this is exactly what you're going to get an update of every single morning and again throughout the day, step by step. You're getting a real transparent approach by mirroring me in real time. With these consistent updates, it's been very, very difficult for you not to learn and to become a professional, independent, and profitable Forex trader. Next up, we got TGS Education. Now, this course has been a huge success, with many traders using these exact strategies, tips, and tricks to navigate through the Forex markets and obtain a funded Forex trading account. Now, don't be fooled because these thumbnails are not just one video. This is actually a full module which opens up into multiple step-by-step videos engineered to help you trade with the most simplistic approach possible. I designed a course which literally anybody could just take from me and input into the foreign exchange market and start trading. We've got everything from foundation knowledge all the way through to the strategies, psychology, and of course, trading trend lines, the Golden Suite way, which has been a huge hit and a huge success with many of the Forex traders that have come to the Golden Suite. Next up, we've got Tjs Premium. Now here you're going to find 3 proven strategies. The MS 2.0, which is how you're going to obtain those sniper entries. The MSB, which is going to give you the exact entry and exit that you need, which is a very, very black and white strategy. And of course, the MSBC, which is going to bring those big profits home. These 3 strategies all work together. You can find more information about these inside the Golden Suite, where I break down in detail exactly what these strategies entail. Next, you've got TGS Resources. Now, this is just a really nice addition to the online course. Here, you're going to get some ebooks with some extra details of all the Forex patterns that I like to trade and the ones that I find most successful. You've got the Forex terminology table. You've also got your back testing sheet, your lot size guide, and much more. After that, we've got the video analysis breakdowns. Now, these are updated regular every single week. So you're actually getting a full breakdown exactly why I've entered a trade. So we're breaking this down in detail, step by step, and you're going to understand exactly why my TP is where it is and why my stop loss is where it is, including the strategy that I have used. This is really going to accelerate your learning curve and help you start placing your own trades as quickly as possible. Now, the morning live analysis streams, they also get updated to the Golden Suite members area. As you can see, we update regular every single day. So you can access these later on throughout the day, just to double check anything that you need, or if you'd like to copy my analysis, and of course, use it as some extra learning material. There's currently over 150 educational tutorials inside the Golden Suite members area, and each one of them has been designed to help you trade Forex. Next, we have the weekly outlook video. Now, we are extremely consistent. We practice what we preach. And there's actually over 1 year's worth of video analysis breakdowns on a Sunday. Now, the Sunday weekly outlook video is our whole weekly outlook from Monday to Friday, what we're looking to happen in the market and what trades we are looking to take. And then the morning webinar follows on very nicely to break down the weekly outlook video into detail. And then of course, you get that fine-tuned again with the watch list, then you get that fine-tuned again for when I actually place a live trade setup. There's no other Forex platform which is as transparent as the Golden Suite. And this is why our traders are finding so much success here, because they can see exactly what's happening and understanding why. Next, we've got Secrets of a Pro. Now, this has been a huge hit. It's not available on YouTube. It's only available exclusively to Golden Suite members only. Now, here you're going to find some serious secrets of a professional Forex trader. You're going to understand the best candlestick pattern ever. You're going to understand the cost of business. You're going to understand Forex zones that make money, even a scalping strategy. You understand why the best Forex entry technique is one which you're most probably not using at the moment, but it can completely change the game for you and increase those profits. Everything you need to know is right here. Then that moves on to our podcast, which you're going to find very motivational. You can also take some value away from that. And of course, we've got some extra Forex courses for you as well, not to mention the 4 free tickets that you're going to receive for the Golden Suite Forex events, which we hold every year, 4 times a year, which is completely free for you to attend. And our last Forex Entrepreneurs event was in London, 38 floors up in the Gherkin building, which is a private dining experience. All the members got to come down and meet me. We talked about Forex, we shared some food, some drinks. It was a great time. And I also gave them a sneak peek of my GBP Forex trading strategy, which they all left with some extra value to take away. And now some of them have actually cracked the strategy and are trading successfully using that as well. So the meetups are definitely worth coming. Some of the members have actually said it's a bit like a mini course, but it's more there just for everybody to be able to meet up and meet other members of the community and take away some value as well. So you can take a look now inside the Golden Suite, completely free for 7 days. If you cancel by day 6, you will not be charged. It's important for us that we know that the Golden Suite is a good fit for you. And if it is, we can start working together on a high level. But I want you to be able to look around for free for you, commit to becoming a paying member. Then that way you can make a decision for yourself whether the Golden Suite is a good fit for you and a good fit for your Forex trading.